Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Make It Up Supergirl. Today I'll be giving you my first impressions of my Lux BoxyCharm box today. So if this interests you, please continue watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tickle that little bell down there to be notified of all my new content coming your way. But before I do, let me go into some details about what BoxyCharm is. Let me go get my notes. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. The base box has 5 full-size products that are either makeup or skincare or a combination of both, but it will have a value of $120. And that is $25 a month. The premium is 6 to 7 full-size items, and that is valued over $170, and that's $35 a month. Lux, which is 8 to 9 full-size beauty items, and that's valued over $250, and that's an additional $24.99 every 3 months. The pros are you get to try up new makeup products without paying full price for them, and you get full-size products. One con is that you will accumulate a lot of extra makeup product that you either have to give away, sell, or donate. Let's go ahead and open this box and see what exciting things that it has. The box looks exactly like the premium box. It feels a little bit heavier, but here it is. And then when you open it up, it'll tell you Lux right there inside the box. And there it is. And just like the premium, there's also an insert which will tell you what the theme is, the Oasis. And then on the back, it will tell you all the products and also the variation. I actually have variation number 51. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item is the Kylie Skincare by Kylie Jenner. And this retails for $24. So it's a foaming face wash. Here's the box right here. Oh, that's really pretty. And here is the bottle. Let me see if I can smell it. I don't really smell anything. Let's see, am I allowed to open it without breaking it? Huh, that actually smells pretty good. Now, I do have pretty sensitive skin, but I kind of actually want to give this a shot. So I still have some other skincare products I'm using now. So when I get done using that, I'll go ahead and test this out. And then in a later video, I will tell you my thoughts and opinions on that. And the next item is the Pure Soleil Beauty. And it's the Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30, which meant the manufacturer price is $35. So it says, complex perfection for a gorgeous matte meets a dewy finish. And that is this right here. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, it's sealed. So actually I'm not going to open it right now, but I'm really glad it's sealed. But I'll be excited to try this. The next thing is a Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. It's an extra lengthening, extra volume, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with a velvet teeth smooth formula. And the price is $24. And here is the box. I already have lots of mascara right now, but since you're really supposed to replace your mascara every 3 months, I'm sure I'll be getting to this soon. And here's that too. I'm not sure if it's showing up, but it's really cute. The next item is the Tarte Tarteist Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. And that retails for $49. And that is a full price product. So I'm not going to open this one because I actually had bought this myself a while back. So let me go ahead and grab that one and then I'll show you what it looks like. Move this back here. Okay, so here's mine. I'm going to open it up. And it does come with like some ideas. And mine's a little dirty, but there's the outside. And then you open it up. Oops. And then you have a mirror, and then you have, see, I don't want to blind you guys, and here are all the colors. And you know what? These smell really good. So let me go ahead and swatch a couple of these. If you want, I will do some looks that I've come up with in a separate video. So that's the Tarte palette. So let's move on to the next one. And again, this retails for $49. I think it is worth every penny. All right, the next item is the Hallmark Collectible Satin Pillow and Mask Set. This actually retails for $50. Hopefully I don't have too dirty fingers. So we've got a cute little bag. And then we have the mask, which I probably won't be using. I don't really wear face masks. But then they have this nice pillowcase. It's very pretty. And it's non-absorbent fabric that reduces hair tangling and skin friction for the ultimate beauty sleep. And it says the one standard satin pillowcase. So I can't wait to wash it in, try it on my bed. Okay. The next item is the $1 Billion Brow Charcoal 5-piece brush set. And this retails for $55. It's vegan, cruelty-free synthetic brushes are charcoal infused with an antimicrobial effect, allowing for flawless makeup and eyeshadow application. Well, I'm not sure. The brushes are the one that's going to make my eyeshadow flawless. It's learning how to apply it. So I wish I could just put eyeshadow on a brush and just go abracadabra, poof. Okay, let me go ahead and get that out. So here's the box. Cute box. And then we have the brushes in here. Oh, there's a lot of them. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I like about these brushes? I love these soft brushes. I cannot wait to use these. I'm not sure I would pay $55 for them, but they are beautiful and I really look forward to using them. And I can let you know in a later video how I felt these brushes are. Okay, the next thing is the Malin and Goetz Recovery Treatment Oil. Let me read this right here. This botanical oil treatment absorbs quickly to nourish skin and help improve appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Evening primrose, argan, and jojoba oils help boost hydration. Grapeseed and rosehip oils deliver vitamin C and E to help improve your skin tone. And that retails $82. OMG, people. OMG. There's no way I would pay $82. So here's the box. Very simple. Get it open here. Oh, this is pretty. Here's a pretty bottle. Let's go ahead and smell it. Woo! That's a strong smell. So, but I think this would be something nice to do in the evening while I'm sleeping, and the vitamin E and vitamin C in here will be really good for my face. Not too fond of the smell. I don't like really strong smells. Last but not least is the Bodyography lip pencil set. So you've got Pouty and Rosewood, and they actually are antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick with precise pigment, rich color to frame, fill in, and define lips. It's enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. So if you're sensitive to coconut oil, this might be not something that you want. The manufacturer price is $28. So here's the box. And I already took the pencils out because the lids weren't even on them. But let me show you the colors. So this one is, I don't have my glasses on. This is Rosewood. Okay. All right, and then the other one is Pouty. Yeah, I don't like these lids. They're really loose. Look, it's not even staying on. But here you go. So I'm excited to do those. Sometimes a quick lip makeup look is you could just take a lip pencil, outline your lips, fill it in with this, and put a little lip gloss or chapstick, and you're good to go. Alright, so this Lux came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products, and I totaled them, and they came to, let me look at my notes, $347. So that's awesome. That's a great price. So let me go ahead and just quickly show you all the products again, just as a review, just to refresh our memory. So again, we have the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner in this cute little pink bottle. We have the Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30, and that retails for $35. Then we have the Lily Mascara in black. Take it back out of the box. So just a normal black. And then we have the pillowcase and the face mask. So we've got the face mask here. I might put this in a future giveaway. I'm not really sure I would ever use that. And then here's a pillowcase. Super cute. I'm glad they had that color. And that retails for $50. I would not pay $50 for a face mask and a pillowcase. The Billion Dollar Brows Charcoal 5-piece set. So you get 5 brushes right here. So I can't wait to try those. Again, that retailed for $55. And then the Recovery Treatment Oil in this really pretty bottle, and that was $82. And then last but not least were these 2 lip pencils. And remember when I told you these lids, they don't slide on and they don't stay. I'm afraid they're going to just break. So that concludes everything that was in my Boxy Luxe, and I really enjoyed this box. One of the tips that I wanted to tell you was, if you do choose to subscribe to BoxyCharm, which by the way I'll have a link down below with all the information, is that I would recommend that you do not watch any YouTube sneak peeks or guesses on what the next month of BoxyCharm is going to be, because all you're going to do is you're just going to, it's going to kind of desensitize you, and so when you get your box you won't be very excited. So it's just one of those tips. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, love yourself, love others, know that you're loved, and that we are all beautiful. Have a great day. Bye everybody.